Hey everybody, Mr. Troy here. What I have for you today is an extremely quick video on how to use the unit circle in the simplest way possible. Are you ready? Alright, it's time for math with Mr. Troy. Alright, here we go. Alright, before you do anything, I want you to fill out a blank unit circle. There's one posted on my website, or you can just write it on a piece of paper, maybe draw it on your skin. No, don't do that. My mom said that gives you ink poisoning. Who knows? Okay, fill out a unit circle. Right now, you should be able to do it in 8 minutes. By the end of the weekend, you should be able to do it in like 3 or 4 minutes. Alright, pause the video, give that a try. Alright, so as long as the angle that you are looking for shows up on the unit circle, you can figure out its sine, its cosine, its secant, its cosecant, its tangent, its cotangent, using just 3 simple steps. Those simple steps are locate, coordinates, and ratiate. Hey, I tried. Locate the angle. Figure out the coordinates at that angle, and then figure out what ratio of coordinates you are looking for. Okay? Let's try one more time with a little bit more conviction. Locate, coordinates, and ratiate. That's a word I just made up. All right. So, first, we'll try this one because it's in degrees and we're a little bit more comfortable with degrees. Locate 240 degrees. I bet you think, well, that's 180 plus 60. Good call. So 240 degrees is here. Now, we are not really going to worry about that. We're going to worry about this reference triangle, which has a 60-degree angle. Now, if you think about a 60-degree angle in the third quadrant, the x-coordinate would have to be -1/2, and the y-coordinate would be -√3 over 2. So the coordinates are -1/2, comma, -√3 over 2. Now, what is the ratio for the tangent? Well, that's y over x. So, plug it in and simplify. -√3 over 2 over -1/2. That simplifies down to √3. So if I said, hey, what's the tangent of 240 degrees? You'd say, oh, √3. All right, you try the same thing with the one underneath it. Give it a try. Pause the video. Here you go. All right, so it's the same thing in location, but the coordination, therefore, has to also be the same, which means the only difference there is the ratio. The ratio you're looking for is the cosine. That's x. So all I have to know is that this is -1/2. That's it. That's simple. If you're not sure right now, you can check with a calculator. All right, so the next one I want to try, because we've already done a tangent, is this tangent of 5 pi over 6. Okay? So, locate it, coordinate it, and then ratiate it. Give it a go. Yes, good, good. All right, so locate it. Second quadrant. Remember, 5 pi over 6 is less than pi, but not by a ton. So this reference triangle would be in the 30-degree family. That means we've got a y-coordinate of +1/2 and an x-coordinate of -√3 over 2. So our coordinates are -√3 over 2, +1/2. My ratio, y over x, which is 1/2 over -√3 over 2. Now that simplifies down to 1 over negative root 3. But of course, we're going to rationalize our denominator, and we're going to say that that is the opposite of root 3 over 3. Pretty simple, right? Okay, let's pick another one. How about you try the cosine of negative 4 pi over 3. Locate, coordinate, ratiate. Go. Oh, and pause the video because I'm going to put the answer up in just a second. All right, so negative 4 pi over 3 is in that second quadrant, which means the x-coordinate is negative because it's to the left of the origin. Y-coordinate is positive because it's above the origin. X-coordinate is negative 1/2. Y-coordinate is root 3 over 2. For the cosine, all we care about is that x-coordinate. So the cosine is negative 1/2. Puppy dog! Okay, I'm going to put the answers to the final 4 up here. And be sure to ask me questions, if you've got them, in class today. All right, pause the video. Here come the answers. All right, folks, there are our final 4 answers. Now, you may not have gotten those. You may have missed 2 of them. The reciprocal ones are a tiny bit harder because of rationalizing denominators sometimes. Okay? Keep at it. I need you to call your friends, and I need you to teach them locate, coordinate, ratiate. I need you to make TikToks. We need fan art. Okay? This needs to go worldwide. Locate, coordinate, ratiate. All right, folks. See you later.